Oh, wow! Snooze again? What a surprise! You set 15 alarms just to ignore all of us equally! I wake you up every day, but who wakes up my feelings? And now you want to run? I tried helping you 1 hour ago! Successful people wake up early, and you wake up during lunch. Tomorrow, I'm ringing at FULL volume! You don't hate mornings. Mornings hate YOU!